It's not about picking stocks. It's about picking the right portfolio.
We got some really nasty updates here, Jonesy. We got 49.16, okay? That's the low end of the risk range, and this is a big lower high, Jonesy buds. 51.21 versus the S&P's closing. Don't forget that a couple of things to write down. All-time high for S&P 500, you should know this off the top of your head, 52.54. Okay, 52.54. This happened at the end of March. Okay, so this is a big lower high versus the all-time high, this number right here. Secondly, this number right here is inside of 4999, which is trend. Okay? I don't need to read anybody's research this morning to know what that says. Okay? In fact, I didn't read anybody's research. I listened to my research team, what they have to say, but that's this is what matters here, the numbers. Okay? If that team wants to run that power play, this is who we're going to put out there. We already know that. Oh, they have that other power play, this is what we're going to put out there. You have to already know what you're going to do when the trade and trend go bearish, and when you're starting to make, again, there will be a point in your life where you're going to look back at the all-time high of a market price and say, oh my God, look at that level. Yeah, right now you're 7.1% below that level for the NASDAQ. You're 5.5% below that all-time high level for the S&P 500. And again, it wasn't a day really that was driven primarily by a broadening of the weakness. In fact, it was quite the opposite. You can see the market impact notes from Tier 1 Alpha. It's just data. 25% of the move was NVDA. So anybody who's running around taking victory laps on Friday saying, look, all stocks are collapsing, that's bullshit, right? You know, they won't highlight that on a day like this, and then when there is a broadening, they'll say it's broadening. We'll just tell you what it's doing. It's just part of the analytics, right? You get up and you say, wow, 35% of the move was in 3 stocks, and 25% of the move was in 1. So the other two being, of course, Meta and Amazon.